Sometimes I make mistakes. And one thing we have found is that ceramic coatings are susceptible to water spots. I don't know if the light's gonna pick these up. There we go, a little bit better. But the hood especially has a lot of water spots, and it drives me crazy because I should have been more careful in using spot-free water for a rinse, a better flush, and maybe even still blow dry it off. Right, so these are normally for ceramic coatings, but little auto fiber, little saver pads they came out with that has a plastic barrier in between. So we'll spread the eraser gel from 3D with this one. We'll use the green side for the water spot remover. So the instructions for this product, I've had it for a while. I've tested a little bit before. Works great. Cool surface. We're working in a controlled environment. Spread small amount on cool glass or paint. Rub with a towel, pad, or brush. Thoroughly rinse off with water within 1 minute. For severe conditions, repeat process using a scrub sponge or cutting foam pad with a polisher. Water spot removers will help remove those minerals so that you can come back and polish. If you were just to polish this right now, a lot of this I learned from Ivan LaCroix with DIY Detail. You would just be polishing the minerals deeper into the clear coat. They might disappear, but you'll see them come back. So even though these might not completely remove the spots, it will definitely, both of them should remove the minerals. And then if I have to, I'll come back and polish. I'll recoat with another ceramic coating later. But this Bronco Sport's my baby, so it bothers me that the hood has all these spots, which to me are very ugly. Some other people might not even notice them. So we'll pour a little bit of product here. I've already shook this up, a little gel. It's absorbing, so let's put some more on here. I have found from playing around with this in the past, if you kind of work it, it helps break those mineral spots off. I can actually see through the gel when I'm rubbing a water spot. And I can actually see, sorry about the camera work, guys. I'll be able to actually see those spots kind of disappear. Don't want to let it sit too long. So we're giving it about a 30 seconds to a minute of work time. Oh, that is super slippery. I think it does a good job of removing all the junk mineral deposits from that paint. It just makes it nice and super smooth. Seems like the water beading is even coming back a lot more right there, unclogging that ceramic coating. Okay, let's come over here. DIY Details water spot remover, quick directions, wear gloves. Guys, please, 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 if you wouldn't drink or lick a chemical, wear gloves. Don't want anything touching your skin. It will absorb and go into your body. I'm guilty. If I'm washing with soap and water or rinseless wash, a lot of times I don't wear gloves. Anything acidic or alkaline on the pH scale, I'll definitely wear gloves. Test in a test spot. Ensure the painted surface is safe to be treated with our water spot. Spray water spot remover on one panel at a time. Allow 1 to 2 minutes to dwell. Rinse it off. If necessary, agitate the surface with a clean microfiber cloth, which we're going to do. Sorry I'm stuttering. It's been a long day. I'm tired. It's in the evening here. Repeat as necessary. So let's try to this one, a very unique smell. Almost like that strong vinegar smell. Let me see if this one smells at all. weird, like a, I don't really get any smell out of that at all. But the DIY Details water spot remover, very vinegary. And I want to give it the same kind of agitation as I did with the 3D. These are the only 2 water spot removers that I have in stock, but I've had great luck for sure with the DIY Details water spot remover to remove mineral deposits, and then polishing makes it perfection. You can see it's kind of resisting there, the ceramic coating is. Rinseless wash, 256-to-1. Auto fiber flat out microfiber wash pad. Wow, that gets so slippery. I know it's the rinseless wash. I know what you guys are saying. Look at that separate. That seems like it really, and this is the other thing I'll be curious to see if, I'm hoping the acids only remove the deposits and not a lot of damage to the ceramic coating itself, but I'm not real worried about it because I install ceramic coatings all the time. I'll put new coating on it. All right, so first impressions, and this is going to be weird to pick up, the 3 orbs of light there. Look how many are still left on the DIY Detail water spot remover side. Maybe it's just not as harsh, or because it's not a gel, it's not working quite as strong. But watch as the light comes across, especially here in the middle where I really agitated it. A couple minor scratches, but not near as many watermarks. So really, to me, this isn't satisfactory enough. So in my mind, I almost just want to, I think it'd be quicker to spray the DIY Detail water spot remover on the whole hood, let it sit for a minute, agitate it, rinse it, and then come back and polish it and put on a new coating. Because that doesn't get all the marks off. So I'm still not, even though it's greatly improved. Yeah, look how bad that is. And you come in, see the difference, guys? Outside the area, look at the 3 orbs, huge improvement. DIY Detail side, wow, lots of water spots, almost said scratches. That's hideous. I'm embarrassed, guys. Yeah, you can still see a lot. Hopefully this video became somewhat useful to you. It's just showing that, hey, water spots happen. So I tried to teach my customers, if I put a ceramic coating on a vehicle for you, go to a touchless wash. If you have to go to a car wash, if you wash at home, rinseless washing is by far the best technique on a lightly dirty vehicle, or hose it first, because you're towel drying that immediately and not letting that tap water from your home dry on the surface and leave those water spots. If they do a soap and water wash, I give them the choice. I'll send home some Geon Bathe with them, a good wash mitt, a grit guard. I give them a sheet to show them. Wash it in the evening, cool to the touch, out of direct sun. Blow dry it with a leaf blower and dry up every spot of tap water on your vehicle, or you will get this. And this is just me being lazy on my own vehicle, maybe foaming it, rinsing it, and then turning on the CR Spotless, but not letting it flush all the way. It's not so bad on my side panels of the vehicle because that water fell off. On the hood, drives me crazy. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, leave them below. And hopefully you learned just a little bit and saw how these products work. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like this kind of content.